I'm currently getting ready to go to school, even though school is at 1 o'clock. It is 9 in the morning, but I wanted to sit down and film for you guys since I haven't been on here for a while. I've been going through some stuff, or my family has been going through some stuff. I usually don't like to film when people are here just because they make a lot of noise, or because I'm really shy and I don't want people to hear me. So right now no one's home, so I took this opportunity to sit down and film. I don't know what I'm going to be using. This is the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm sure everyone knows this palette. Oh yeah, I also got my nails done for my birthday, but they have grown out pretty long already, so I might go get them done by the end of this week. This is the Morphe 3502 palette, I think. Yeah, everyone knows this one too. I have been using this one a lot, but I also have been loving the Dream Street palette with ColourPop and Kathleen Lights. So I think I'm gonna go with this one just because, I don't know, I feel like this is more of an everyday. Yeah. So I haven't been on here for a really long time, just because I wasn't really in the mood to film. I've kind of been in a bad mood, and also I haven't really been home, and school started, so I've been really busy being at school. I'm gonna go on with this one. I don't know what the name is. Potion? No. Water Bear? No. I don't know. These names are confusing. I also woke up super early today because it's my little sister's birthday. She turns 16 and she wanted me to do her makeup for her so she can go to school with her makeup done. But I also have to go to the store and buy her gift, which I'm not sure what I'm gonna get her. I also was gonna sit down and do a haul, but I feel like I always do hauls. Like I leave and then I come back and I do a haul, and then I leave, come back and do a haul. So I wanted to do more like a get ready haul, maybe vlog type of style. I also bought the Morphe Flawless Beauty Sponge because Jaclyn Hill always talks about it. I have not tried it. And also I'm going to be trying, I guess this is also trying new products because, I mean, this is not super new, but it's pretty new. And also I got some stuff for my birthday that I'm going to be using. I was also going to film doing my sister's makeup, but it was getting pretty late, so I wasn't sure if I was gonna have enough time, and I didn't want to make her late on her birthday, so I felt like I should just do that another time. And also I was gonna do my friend Rosie's makeup, just because she really wants to learn and she's always complimenting me on my makeup, so I feel like I want to do her makeup, but I'm not sure if she wants it to be filmed. It took me so long to do this stupid eyeliner. And it's so thick. I didn't even want it that thick. As you can tell by the lighting, it's now darker because the sun moved. That's how long it took me to do this stupid eyeliner. Okay, one of the things that I got is my favorites. L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. So the Super Bowl was yesterday. I didn't watch it, but I wanted the Eagles to win just because I know the Patriots always win, so I was going with the opposite. I am almost done, even though my eyeliner is really bad. So this was one of the things that I got for my birthday. My sister gave this to me. It is from Tarte, and it's one of their contour. I go in with this one, Princess Cut. Sometimes I go in with a more shimmery one, or I go in with my Physicians Formula to just bronze it up a bit. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with my hair. This is my natural hair. I don't want to really touch it or do anything just because I've been letting it rest for a bit. But I feel like this looks really frizzy and crazy. Next is blush. I've been using this Tarte Party. For my highlighter, I'm using this vintage. I got this in a BoxyCharm. And I'm using this shade. And I'm gonna use this Luxie 237 blending brush, but I have no other brush, so I'm just gonna use this. Okay, so that's pretty much what I do with my face. Oh, and then I'm taking this Spice Milani eyeliner. Lip liner in Spice, and just lining in my lips, kind of filling it in, and then going in with the Smashbox Coraline lip gloss. Oh wait, I didn't finish showing you what I got. Okay, so really quick, I got the Becca Backlight priming filter in like little sample size. I got two of the Ardell lashes, one in 120 and the other one in the Demi Wispies Studio. And I got other stuff, I just don't know where it is. Anyways, just in case if I don't continue filming, thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Sorry, I have been gone for a while, but thank you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.